This is Made in the Trades, brought to you by Great Oaks.
The EMMT program is electromechanical maintenance and technology. And the idea behind it is we will be working in like factories and working on the machines, making sure that they're working the right way and fixing them if need be, and being able to change things on the fly and just kind of get things to work.
Great Oaks has really kind of been able to pull itself apart from the competitors with different schools because we have an excellent lab with excellent equipment. So we have some of the most state-of-the-art, latest and greatest robots, PLC technology. All of our computers and hardware are some of the most updated equipment. That's a big part of our curriculum, but also we really listen to industry needs.
The instructors are great. The instructor I have really you can tell really wants you to succeed. He is really helping, trying to find us a job, and he's also helping us with the skills to be able to get the job through the interviewing process and all that, and he's making sure that we are very much ready for whatever we will see in the field.
What we do is we have a really good connection with outside employers. So as I reach out to these employers and as we get closer to different steps into the program or closer to the end of the program, students have that opportunity to be employed by those manufacturers.
This has been Made in the Trades, brought to you by Great Oaks.